sedimentation. Again, BCHMM with its own combination showed the highest score for the biosedimentation test. So we did not add any other strain. We have gone further by using this strain only. The 1 liter test was performed in a half cone. When the test was performing, it has been observed when the soluble solid was remained less than 5 ml in test cone in which yeast was not added, while when yeast was added, the volume of the soluble solid increased till 15 ml, and it was showing also some airy space, and flock were very compact. And again, we can see the significant reduction in the turbidity in test tank in which which was treated with yeast, while control did not come till below 100 NDU till 120 minutes. This is the same image analysis of our isolates, best promising isolates size, and this is the some images of the soil sediment which were testing, from which we were preparing the micromillated mine water, and this is the same images of biosediment in which yeast was treated. Here we can see the texture of the same images particles. In previous photograph we can see it is very small and compact. Here it is became like plate-like structure, sheet-like structure. So we can confirm biosedimentation. After biosedimentation, the structure of sediment is changing. This is the areas of control and test sediment. Here we can see the metal composition haven't changed after the addition of this yeast in the sediments or maintaining water. Just carbon content have increased because of the addition of yeast. Again, here we in FTIR analysis of soil sediment A, and this is the biosediment or soil which was treated with yeast. Here we can see stretching at 1675 wave number. It is from the reference this FTIR. It can be concluded that it is the stretching of OH. So we can predict that because of the presence of yeast, the OH function is showing here. The mine-tailing water which was brought from the mining area was further studied, and it was shown that the reduction in turbidity remained more than 300 even after 2 hours, and it was very difficult to settle down also using the same dose of yeast. Maybe the dose of yeast should be increased. Further optimization is required when we are going to use real mine-tailing water. This is the experimental setup for the biosedimentation test in bale jar, 20 liter bale jar. Here we can see in control tank after 120 minutes, it is still turbid and it is clear, and the deposition in control bale jar was recorded 0.03 centimeter from its bottom, while it is recorded 0.7 centimeter at the bottom. Because all the block has settled down at the bottom of the bale jar. This is the biosedimentation kinetics of 100 liter tank. Here again we can see the turbidity of test control tank remain more than 100 even after 120 minutes of the experiment, while it reduces till 100 in 70 minutes only in test tank. And again, after stirring, after the 120 minutes, the compact flock was settled down very fast within 40 minutes. This is the parameter for non-treated and treated mine-tailing water in laboratory level in 100 liter.